Okay guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today we're looking at something very simple, that is georeferencing, which simply means attaching ground control points to an image or a map. The question here is why georeferencing? Georeferencing simply helps you to be able to help try and update a map or make any or transits to any map at all. Oftentimes you are given a map that's let's say is perhaps an old map and you want to work with it, but the shape files you don't have it, so it's either you digitize it and save the shape files for further research purposes. So you want to get it clearly. If you are lucky and they have grid lines, it aids georeferencing. Very simple. So let's quickly browse through the practical section and see how it's easily done. So we come to my folder I've connected here. If you don't remember how to do this, you come to connect to folder and you browse to where the folder, where the picture or the image is. So I'm having mine in this folder here, and then it's showing here. So this map, I'll drag and drop it here to be displayed. You're having this unknown special reference, and it reads the following data sources are added. You added our missing special reference information. This data can be done in ArcMap but cannot be projected. Okay, so with this I'll right click on the layers properties and attach a coordinate system to it. Okay, then from here I'll quickly come to my georeferencing tab here. If you don't have it here, you come here, right click here and then turn it on here. But if you are having it on like this, then simply come to the add control points here, right, click on it and this crosshair appears. All right, this plus sign. So mind you, in ArcMap the vertical lines are the longitudes and the horizontal lines are the latitudes. In other sense, the horizontal lines are the x-axis, the y-axis. Mind you, in ArcMap the vertical lines are the x-axis and the horizontal lines are the y-axis. In other sense, the longitudes and latitudes, right? So let's quickly go to how this can be done. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so we look at the point of intersections of these x and y, the x and y lines. So they intersect at this point, so I'll come and click this point here, intersection point, and then right click, and then you am having here input x and y. If you're having the coordinates to be in decimal degrees, you choose the first one, but if they are in the degree, minute and second, you choose the second one, that is input DMS. So the longitude to this intersection here is 2 degrees. You can click the next one here, 32 minutes, or you can you can press the tab key on the keyboard and to jump to the next one, right? Okay, and 0 seconds to the north, east or west. Okay, we come to the latitude here. You have in here 10 degrees. You press on tab on the keyboard, 6 minutes, tab again, and 0 seconds to the north. You click on OK. So the first point has been inputted. We go to the second point here, second point of intersection. Let me find it. I think it's this one, right? Yes, we want to get the 4 corners, so I normally like these ones. So we click on this intersection point and right click, and we go to, let me get them clearly displayed before I start this operational process. Okay, so right click and then input DMS. So the longitude, we have 2 degrees 21 minutes 0 seconds to the west, and we have latitude 10 degrees 6 minutes and 0 seconds to the north. Click on OK. So let's see where the map is now. We're having 2. Let's go to the next one. I like the corners, so let's choose this one, the intersection here. Okay, so let me zoom a bit. I'm having the intersection is shown here. This is the intersection point. I click on it and then right click, input DMS. Let me get them showing clearly for okay. DMS. So longitude you have here 2 degrees 21 minutes and 0 seconds to the west. We have latitude 9 degrees 55 minutes and 0 seconds to the north. Good. Okay, then we can count the last point here. This has covered it, so I'll but if you can't gauge it, you can simply come and add a rectangle here, a rectangle here, a rectangle here, right? Okay, sorry. Good. So this will show you there's that location, there's that point you can, or there's that point of intersection. Yes, so that is it, a smart way of going about it. So let me continue with the point. So I'll come here and click. This might give me problems. Let me push it a bit inside. Okay, so I can yes go about it. So yes, it's somewhere around this place, right? Okay, I click it and then that's the 4th point. Right click, DMS. Longitude is what? 2 degrees 32 minutes and 0 seconds to the west, and the latitude is 9 degrees 55 minutes and 0 seconds to the north. Click on OK. Can now take this shape out so as to aid me georeference it. Okay, nice. So I'm having my image nicely displayed here with the point 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this point I've added my ground control points, right? Yes, using the add control points. Do you understand at this point? Okay, so now here you want to check to see if we have georeferenced it very well. So I want to add my shape files here, Ghana district shape files, and then select my district out of it and see if it has been properly georeferenced to be displayed at the exact spots. Okay, so here you can see after adding them, if I turn this image off, you see this is the exact shape file for the Ghana regions, and the image georeferenced. As you can see, that means I have referenced it very well and it now fits. So at this point, if I want to make corrections or update this map I'm having here with respect to the settlement we are having here, I can just create shape file and then plot the point at the exact location of each of these, and by so doing I can work with it. If I want to add anything being reverse road, I can continue working with this image I'm having here after this. So that is what the image will help me to do with my operations. So you can also check your accuracy by coming to this view link table, and we have your error margin to be 0.0002. that means I'm having minimal error. I've done a very good job, right? So that is how to georeference an image, yes, easily. That is it. So when you are done with this, then you come here, right? You click on georeferencing here, and then you click on update georeferencing. That will make the numbers disappear. So I'm having it georeferenced and I have updated it. So that is it, and I'm having the map, the image georeferenced. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to keep on seeing quick, easy, and amazing way of performing operations with the Arc map and become a pro in map making. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.